The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Krasny Liman direction, the attacks launched by the artillery and heavy flamethrower systems of the Center Group of Forces have resulted in the neutralization of the Ukrainian units near Nevskoye, Chervonaya Dibrova in Lugansk People's Republic and Yampolovka, Grigorovka in Donetsk People's Republic. The enemy losses were over 100 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 infantry fighting vehicles, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 1 Akatsia self-propelled artillery system and 1 D-30 howitzer. Air defense facilities have intercepted 8 projectiles launched by HIMARS and Uragan MLRS, as well as 1 HARM anti-radar missile. In addition, 9 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been destroyed near Ivanovka in Kharkov region, Zeleny Gai, Verkhnyturetskoye, Grigorovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Timur in Lugansk People's Republic, Malaya Kardashenka and Dalmashki in Kherson region. In total, 402 airplanes, 221 helicopters, 3,434 unmanned aerial vehicles, 414 air defense missile systems, 8,316 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,062 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,372 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,959 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Great signal, and what can I say, not the first signal for all your country, for all the signals of your country, of your society, of the government, president, from the first days of full-scale war, and even from the first days of Russian invasion in 2014, you always showed that you are with us, supporting.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.